Today on the Workbench, we're unboxing and assembling the FIMCO 25-gallon Brush Buster ATV Spot Sprayer. One of the first things you'll notice, like with many FIMCO products, is that this unit comes almost completely assembled right out of the box. Inside the packaging, you'll find the owner's manual, the tank lid and lanyard, a parts bag containing the lead wire, and the tank, 12-volt pump, hose, and spray wand all pre-assembled. After unboxing, if you notice any missing parts or run into an issue with your sprayer, please contact FIMCO customer support. To begin assembly, start by installing the wand mounting clips on the top back side of the tank using the two provided Phillips head screws and the pre-threaded holes. Now install the tank lid by threading it onto the tank and securing the lid's lanyard to the hole next to the tank opening. Next, carefully cut the zip tie holding the spray wand hose. Wrap the hose neatly around the tank and snap the spray wand into the storage clips. Finally, connect the 12-volt power wire to the pump. And just like that, your FIMCO 25-gallon Brush Buster ATV Spot Sprayer is ready for use. Thanks for stopping by the FIMCO Workbench, and as always, happy spraying!